is electrical conductivity of the material. Electrical conductivity is that electrical property of a material owing to which the electrical current flows easily through the material. That is, material provides an easy path for the flow of electricity through it. Electrical conductivity permits the movement of electric charge from one location to another. The number of electrons in 1 centimeter cube of metal would be of the order 1022. Thermal coefficient of linear expansion. When thermal energy is added to material, or you can say heat is added to the material, a change in its dimension occurs. For example, if 10 centimeter long rod of mild steel is heated, it increases its length. This phenomena is a thermal expansion, and the property of the material responsible for this is known as coefficient of thermal expansions. There are several hardness testing procedures that we will see one by one. Brinell hardness tester. It is the most commonly used to test material that have a structure that is too coarse or that have a surface that is too rough to be tested. Using another test method, example castings and forgings. A number of expressing Brinell hardness and denoting the load applied in testing in kilograms divided by the spherical area of indentation produced in specimen in square millimeters. During hardness test, the intended is usually a ball, means a ball is used for testing, or pyramid and cone. The intender used in Brinell hardness test is a cone. BHN is designated by the most commonly used test standard ASTM E1014 and ISO 6506 1:2005 as HWB, H from hardness, B from Brinell and W from material of the intender, tungsten carbide. In former standards, HB or HBS were used to refer measurement made with steel intenders. What is the procedure? Brinell testing often use is very high test load 3000 kg F and a 10 mm diameter steel ball is used as indenter so that the resulting indentation average out most surface and subsurface inconsistencies. Procedure. So procedure, Brinell hardness test. What is the procedure for Brinell hardness test? Insert a ball diameter in ball holder of the machine. There is Brinell hardness testing machine is there. So ball is to be inserted. Make the specimen surface clean by removing dust, dirt, oil and grease, etc. Third step, make contact between the specimen surface and the ball by rotating the jack adjusting wheel. Fourth step, push the required button for loading. Fifth step, pull the load release lever and wait for minimum 15 seconds. The load will automatically apply gradually. Next step, remove the specimen from the support table and locate the indentations so made. Next, view the indentation through microscope and measure the diameter D by micrometer fitted on microscope. Repeat the entire operations 3 times. Then another testing procedure is Rockwell hardness tester. In Rockwell hardness tester, the Rockwell scale is a hardness scale based on indentation of hardness of a material. The result is a dimensionless number noted as HRA, HRB, HRC, etc., where the last letter is the respective Rockwell scale. When testing metal indentation hardness correlates linearly with tensile strength. In C scale, Rockwell hardness testing, the shape of indenter used is diamond cone. HRC, an abbreviation for Rockwell hardness measured on the C scale. Full form of HRC is high ruptured capacity. Now, what is the procedure of Rockwell hardness testing? Insert ball diameter in ball holder for of the machine. Make the specimen surface clean by removing dust, dirt, oil and grease. Make contact between the specimen surface and the ball by rotating the jack adjusting wheel. Push the required button for loading. Pull the load release lever. Wait for minimum 15 seconds. The load will automatically apply gradually. Remove the specimen from support table and locate the indentation so made. Repeat the entire operations 3 times. Now there are few MCQs are given at the end of the chapter that we will see tomorrow. Just you have to remember this MQCs. 50 MQCs are on first chapter that we will see tomorrow. Okay.